Hi guys, it's been a hot minute that I've done a cooking show. Here's our cooking show for you today. We are making Cajun chicken and pasta in the Crockpot. First, we put the chicken in, and it's already in there. It's frozen. Next, we have to make the chicken ball. We like to use these things. You got to take the paper off and you can't eat the paper. They're going boiling up water. How are we going to let that boil? It's over there. It's behind. Next is 1 can of diced tomatoes. And dumping it. It splashed everywhere. Next, it's 4 cloves of garlic. Yucky. Next is the spices. It's a paprika. 2 teaspoons of Cajon seasoning. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a black pepper. It goes. It's so weird. Egg. My mom is putting in the chicken ball. Next is 1 block of cream cheese. You'll have to cut it up and put it in the microwave to make it nice and soft. Okay, it's nice and soft. Now we need to put in 1 cup of milk. And whisk it together. Be very careful not to make a mess. Ooh, this is thick. Ew. Hello. This is my mixer. When this is finished, I'm going to put it in the crockpot and cook it on high for about 6 hours. Later, we're going to make Cajun corn and maybe some honeycomb bread. So we need honey. And lastly, we put in pasta. And then mommy. Alright guys, see you around next time.